Today, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to apply for Social Security retirement benefits online. You'll know which documents you need so that your application will not be delayed, declined, and you won't be leaving money on the table. There are 3 ways that you can apply for Social Security benefits. You can apply by phone, you can go into your local Social Security office, and you can apply online. I'm going to focus on applying online because it's the fastest way to get those benefits directly to you. And just so you know, applying for Social Security retirement benefits is not a difficult process. A lot of times people get stuck and they get frustrated because they don't have the proper documents they need in advance. So they'll get started working through the application and then quarter way through, they get frustrated and then they quit. But that's not going to be you because during this video, you're going to see exactly what you need to be successful. According to the Social Security Administration, here's the exact list of documents and information you need ahead of time to get started. You're going to need your Social Security number. Some people think that you need the actual physical Social Security card in order to apply for retirement benefits, but you don't. You will need your Social Security number because that number is going to be linked to what your earnings have been over the years. You are going to need proof of age, and this is typically going to be a certified copy of your birth certificate, and a regular photocopy of it won't do. It has to be a certified copy. You're also going to need proof of U.S. citizenship or lawful immigration status if you weren't born in the United States. You're also going to need your W-2 or income tax return from the previous year because that's going to be used to help calculate what your benefit is going to be. If you served in the military, you'll also need your military service paperwork. In order to receive your Social Security retirement benefits, it is going to have to either go to your bank. So you're going to need your bank name, your routing number, and account number. If you don't have a bank account, you can apply to get a Direct Express card, and then you can use that to receive your payments. Social Security benefits will not be paid via check. If you're going to be applying for spousal benefits, you'll also need your spouse's full name, their Social Security number, date of birth, marriage, date and place, and information about prior marriages if applicable. Now I'm going to move on into an overview of how to actually apply on the SSA.gov website.
If you don't have a Social Security account already, click on Sign In or Create an Account. You'll have access to a video that you can watch to get detailed information on how to create your account, or you can just click on Create an Account. You have 2 options. I'm familiar with using Sign In with ID.me, so I'm going to click on Create an Account with ID.me. Then you're going to click on OK. And here is where you're going to put in your email, password, and confirm your password. I suggest you click on Remember Me so that you won't have any trouble logging in the next time on this particular device that you're using. Accept the terms and create your account. Now, after you have your account created, then you can go to Apply for Benefits. Since you're applying for your Social Security retirement benefits, keep it checked where it says an adult age 18 or over. Then click on Retirement. Click on Learn how to apply. Scroll down, click on Apply Online. Click on the agreement that you understand the terms above. Click Next. And you're going to click on Start a new application. Then you're going to click on I am applying for myself. Yes. And then Next. Sign in with ID.me. And here you're going to log into your Social Security account with the login information you just created a few minutes ago.
Enter your personal information, answer your work history questions, add any spouse information if needed, enter your bank account information, and then submit the application. You might be wondering about how long this process is going to take. It can take anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes. I've actually personally helped my mother and my father apply for Social Security benefits, and I must say, doing it online was a very smooth process, and I'm happy to report that both of their applications were submitted successfully. My dad is collecting, and my mom will be collecting really soon. When it comes to Social Security retirement benefits, it is important to know how to do it. But the real question is when? When should you start collecting Social Security benefits? You can start as early as age 62. The longer you wait past your full retirement age, those benefits will increase. So I help people figure this out because there's a lot of rules and a lot of things to consider. And Social Security benefits may not be the only source of income that you're getting in your retirement season. If you want to figure out when is the best time to apply for Social Security benefits based on your situation and just have some assistance with looking through your overall financial plan, book a free 30-minute consultation with me and I will walk you through it. I would love to help you make this big decision so that you and your family, one, are not leaving money on the table, but that two, you understand your options and you're making this decision with confidence and clarity. Until next time.